Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about one of the concept with the Kubernetes, which is related to volume. Before that, I am making a lot of videos related to cloud and DevOps. I believe these videos are helpful. If you find these videos are helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more videos. Let's dive into today's topic. Today topic is about the volume in Kubernetes. When comes to Kubernetes, we have to maintain the volume, which is the crucial part in with any networking. So for that, we have the concept called persistence volume and persistence volume climb. What is persistence volume? A storage in the Kubernetes. Apart from the cloud, we have like a EBS, EFS, NFS kind of storages. We have like a different kind of storages. But when it comes to Kubernetes, we have to create with a storage called persistence volume, which will be created by your admin. If you are into the Kubernetes cluster, admin will create the persistence volume. It will be created by your storage. Storage is nothing, it can be your EBS or EFS or any kind of storage. For example, you have like 100 GB or 500 GB of storage, admin will create 20 GB of persistence volume. So this is not related to name specific. And persistence volume climb. What is persistence volume climb? You admin has created the persistence volume. Now you have created the pod. That pod required some volume. So you have to create the persistence volume climb from your persistence volume. You are going to pick some volume. You are going to request some volume from your persistence volume. So that's why it is called as a persistence volume climb. You are going to request from volume. For example, your volume is persistence volume is having 20 GB. Your pod required only 1 GB. So 1 GB is called persistence volume climb. So this is related to namespace specific, because your pod is going to run on your some namespaces. For example, it can be run on dev namespace, or it can be run on your staging or secops namespace. Like that it is going to run. So when your pod in is going to run on specific namespace, then your persistence volume climb should be on the namespace specific. And when you create some persistence volume climb, you have there is some three type of access mode. A read write once, which means you are going to give the pod for only specific person can be read write with that particular pod. This can be this pod can be read write with once, or read only many. This can be you can give access to many people to read, and you can give also read write many. You can give access to the many people can access this pod. Like that you can give the access. Next, there are some climb policies, which means you have created the persistence volume climb. And here the climb have some policies: retain, recycle, delete. What it is means, when your pod got deleted, you want to keep your data, and you also no need to delete your persistence volume climb, which means persistence volume you have to create, then you have to refer to your pod. But here, when you mention is as a retain, when you delete your pod, your data also present, and your claim also will be present. A recycle in the sense you are going to delete your data. When you delete the pod, the data will be deleted and your claim will still present. You can avail it for the some other resources, which means some other pods you can refer it and you can use it. But in retain, admin will need to do manually delete those claims as well the data. And what is delete? When your pod get deleted, for example, it can be run on stateful set. You have deleted the stateful set, then your all the pods will get deleted. You have replica set, 5 pods will be get deleted. So all this data will be deleted, and also those claims will be get deleted here. So this is called delete claim policy. These and what are the advantages of persistence volume? So when it comes to Kubernetes resources, specifically to pod, pods are ephemeral, which can be get anytime. It can be get crashed due to storage or CPU or some other issue. It can be restarted. It can be under pending status. But in the situation, what will happen? Your data also will be get lost. So your data should be present, in the sense you have to create under the PV. So it won't get delete your in case of your pod or get restarted. Next, you will get a separate storage for your resources, and it can going to do the computation with the particular resources only. Particular, and you can do the dynamic provisioning. You can provision with the 250 MB, 1 GB MB, 2 GB for your pod based on your requirement. You can dynamically do the provisioning, and this is going to helpful for your all the stateful applications which is required for the persistence volume, which should not be crashed at any time whenever your application is going to get recover. I hope this video is helpful regarding the persistence volume and climb. This is about the theoretical video to understand about the persistence volume and climb. I believe this video is helpful. I'm going to make upcoming days with the practical videos. I believe this video is helpful. If you find this video is helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and follow for the more videos. Thanks for watching.